From expectations to results, there's a lot riding on your next event. Just choosing where and when isn't enough. You'll need answers every step of the way. Before, during, after, and even in between events. The most successful events have 3 things in common. 1, they achieve their goal. 2, they anticipate the needs of everyone involved. 3, they collect and incorporate feedback. Start early by reaching out to all the right people: volunteers, sponsors, and participants. Whether this is an annual event or the first ever, listening to your stakeholders shows respect for everyone involved and starts the conversation on the right note. As the plan comes together, spread the good news and open up for registration. Send instant confirmations and follow-ups, then share the details with your planning team. When the day comes, get real feedback on everything from heating in the hall to acoustics in the auditorium. Why wait until it's over to fix issues or celebrate successes? Your participants are posting and tweeting their reactions and experiences. Be sure you're in the loop, tackling trouble and sharing shoutouts. When the lights go down, there's still plenty to discover. Follow up with vendors, presenters, and participants to find out what went well and what needs to change for next time. Feedback drives successful events, and SOGO Survey drives feedback. From event survey templates and custom branding to advanced distribution and analytics, the platform offers everything event planners need to run the perfect event. It's never too early to get started planning your next event. Connect with our team today to find out how SOGO Survey can turn the frenzy of event planning into feedback-driven success.